So this is a DB Marine power tram motor, and we bought one and put on a boat and it didn't work, and so we ordered another one and put it on there and it didn't work. So this is the new one, the first new one we bought, and we got it actually sending power to it right there, and it should be on because power probe red, 12.8, and ground. So you have 12.8 and ground. There's your wires right there, and that should be working. It's directly wired, and it's not. So we're going to pull the one that we just put on. It's getting really frustrating pulling power tram motors off that don't work, but we're going to go ahead and pull it off, and we'll probably have another video tomorrow.